We go to news now from the courts. Convicted gang leader Andre Blackman Bryan today admitted that he is the leader of the Jones Avenue criminal network that committed crimes including murder and arson in Spanish Town and its environs. Bryan was convicted on March 8 of being the leader of a criminal organization. We have the details from Raquel Porter.
Clad in a white button shirt and black pants, Andre Blackman Bryan commanded the attention of the court when he rose to speak. And after cautioning him that he only had 10 minutes, Chief Justice Brian Sykes allowed him to pick up from where he left off on Monday. And as he did then, he quoted from the Bible criticizing the judicial system, but it was his statement confirming his leadership of the criminal organization which left the courtroom stunned.
Is it done talking? One done, and there's no other done, any other than a Clarin done.
Bryan spoke for approximately 7 minutes, during which he referenced the other gang members when he said this.
The truth must be told, and by precept we come to understanding. I give orders, instruction. They were all under influence. Same for the witnesses. We get pardon, and I don't know who pardoned them. By precept, all of them should have been pardoned, and you take me in account. That's all I have to say.
Until today, the 38-year-old maintained that the former gangsters turned state witnesses lied, but he said he holds no grudge against them.
This, as I say, is for the greater good, and I don't have anything against the prosecutor, Miss Bruce, police, the chief himself, the accused, but by principle, precept, understanding, there is only one law, and that is common law. There is only one sense, and that is common sense.
The court also heard from the attorneys representing the 3 remaining convicts who, like the other 12 gangsters, begged for leniency. The sentencing hearing was then adjourned to Monday, when the judge will start handing down the sentences for Bryan and his 14 co-convicts. Raquel Porter, TVJ News.